So takeaway today, the struggle is so real, people. It is so real. I'm wrecked, okay? I'm just wrecked. There's too much going on. Oh my god, what color did I just use? Okay, Capriccio. Wrecked. Still looks good though. Still looks good.
Zaki's going to Nana.
Yeah, Zaki's going to Nana. You'll stay with Mummy. Yeah. Cool? Is that
cool?
Is that
Get on.
okay?
Eat.
Oh,
Mommy.
yes, Mussy.
That's a horn. It's a horn.
Now?
It's a horn again.
I can't do it again. There's cars coming. They'll think I beeped at them.
Another one?
Another one? Oh, I don't think so. When you learn to drive.
Nana's going to Nana. Nana Jerusha.
Jerusha?
Nana Jerusha.
Nana Jerusha. You're very good at saying Mummy's name. It kills me when he says my name.
We see the bush turkey.
Yeah, there is a bush.
Turkey.
We are dropping Zaki at Mum's for a little while. She wants to have him and go for a nice walk. It is really hot today, people. Really hot. It is 33 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Let me see. 91.4 Fahrenheit. So there you go. Hot, people, hot. We're dropping Zaki to Mum. That is the update so far. I have no idea. This vlog is gonna be difficult. I'm so tired, oh my god. So we have Blippi and we have ice cream. Mummy's got a meeting. And this little one's oh, brain freeze. Oh, what's happening?
Cheese.
Oh, you're saying cheese? You're saying cheese? Why are your eyes shut? Is that nice cookies and cream gelato? Yummy. Oh my god, you did it yourself. You're so clever now.
Yes.
You're so clever. Yes. Mussy. Look how clever you are with your backpack on. look at him with his backpack. Hikes on the vlog today, guys. We're gonna go to the beach. I got it. Yeah, let me get some water. I'm good. It's just the struggle of my life. Pretty normal. Oh, thanks, darling.
You ready, Mussy?
You guys remember Hike, my single Armenian best mate? Hottie. Hey, this way please. Come on. Yes, that's right. All my Armenian girls out there looking for an eligible husband. So eligible. Look at these arms. Ooh. Yes. No one in life can park there. You can put the truck.
Give me your bag, Mussy. Yeah, ladybug. That's just a little fly.
There was a ladybug here before that he saw. Walking? Mm-hmm.
Walk patrol.
Okay. Oosh.
Oosh.
Oosh. Did you remember that story?
No.
We tell it all the time. We think it's great. The guy that rang for a job
No.
as a driver. I live in Liverpool. Where is this place? It's at Newport. And he goes, oosh.
Mommy.
Oosh, bro. Where is that? Okay.
Oh, I kind of remember it now. Yeah, that was a while ago.
It was a long time ago. Street food. At the airport called Oosh.
Yes, I've seen that.
It's the best.
That's awesome.
It's so good. Alright. Let's go get some cafe latte. Cafe latte. So, the Bondi place, is it a house or an apartment?
No, it's a house.
Nice. How would you land a Bondi job? Seems like geographically far away. Sorry, excuse me.
Yep.
Excuse me, mummy. Yes?
Eagle ones.
That's this one.
Eagle ones.
Yeah, that's...
I know, look how big it is. Just a piccolo. Come in, Marcy, we can't go in there. Come on, we can't go in there. We gotta go this way. I was gonna use my phone. You got cash? I go this way. Go, run, Marcy, run. Show me the boat, Marcy. Come on, Twinkle Toes. Oh wow, how many boats are there, Marcy? Yeah. Be careful. Uncle Hike can't swim, so I can't save you. Yeah. Look, there's Mummy there. Do you want to go back to Mummy or not?
I have a gun. Ready?
Ooh. You want to race me? Yeah, ready? Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, shit. You're gonna trip me over. Go, 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 go. Who's gonna win? Who's winning? Who's winning? Oh, Marcy's catching up.
Oh my god!
You beat me.
Running race! You almost fell off.
Oh, he was pushing. I was like, you're so fast.
Okay, Hike will show the boat. Good job with your vlogging, Hike.
God.
Hike is vlogging. Vlog takeover by Hike.
I should have my own page. Oh wow!
That's pretty.
Look how big it is.
No, don't.
No.
Hot.
Look what Mummy's got.
Look, they made you
Little baby tuna with a marshmallow.
baby tuna.
Got it?
Snagged. Is Paw Patrol Canadian? I think it is.
What was ducky?
I think it's Canadian because Ryder always says, I think that the pups are going out to sea and then we're about. Trust it to be Canadian. Everything good comes out of Canada, okay? Paw Patrol, MAC makeup, amazing. Ryan Reynolds, amazing. Justin Bieber, amazing. I'm sure there's a million others that you're saying right now. Maple syrup, amazing. Anyway, what is the update? Oh my gosh. So the title of this video is gonna be, am I pregnant with number 3? Marcy, is there a baby in Mummy's tummy? Is there a baby in my tummy? There's a baby in my tummy? No way. There's Zaki in my tummy? Comments are coming in that am I preggers with number 3? So nice. But the answer is no, I am not. And no, there's not gonna be some secret reveal that I actually am. I'm not. I'm just got a gut and I am carrying 10 kg since Zachy. It's weird, I always drop right before I kind of deliver my babies and then I gain after because I think I just go ham, just eat anything. But I'm starting to go downwards, which is good, and I put that down to water weight. I'm actually like not even snacking, which is good. I am a first class snacker. That is how I gain weight. That is when I, whoa! That is when I gain weight, is by snacking. I love snacking. I love biscuits. I love crackers and cheese. I just love snacking. But no, not Preggers with number 3. I'm up here. See, this is what this bag is good for. Thank you. Got some low GI Wonder White. It's really all the kid eats. Hey, here I am. There you are. Come on. Come and sit up here. Is your tummy hurting? He spewed on Will last night. He said he had a sore tummy and just sat up and just projectile vomited on him. I'm like, that's what you get. I have just done a haul on Cotton On for some pants that I saw. You know those like resort cheesecloth kind of pants? This is not cool, okay? Okay, Sydney, Australia? Look who I found. Look who I found. A little lemon drop. A little lemon drop in his little yellow lion onesie. Did Nana just drop you off? There she is. She's rushing off to a meeting. Hello, my little lemon sunshine lion. Hello, my little sweet smelling daisy. You're so cute. Did you have fun with Nana? Did you go for a walk? Did you go for a walk? Okay, let's get you a pouch. You want a pouch? You want some food? You're so cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. And even though this makes me die inside, I just want you to be right.
Hello, Bob.
Hi.
Yeah.
You don't have FaceTime.
Yeah, I've only got Samsung, so it doesn't work.
How lame is Samsung? You don't have, I can't, do you have WhatsApp?
Yeah, I've got WhatsApp.
Don't Samsung know we're trying to be productive here? Like, how the heck can I show you stuff I source?
Where are you?
I'm at home.
Oh,
Yeah. I think I found like the most lit shelves to go behind the toilet. I think they're gonna look so cool because you know how you said that your pedestal sink has, what's it called? We're making progress. We're making headway, Willie. You're gonna be happy. Happy, happy, happy. Okay. He wants to play hide and seek. Go. Let's see. Let's scare him. Okay, I didn't see you. You meant to hide away from me. You're 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, you want to go? You're meant to hide. You don't just sit on the floor. Do you want your sandwich?
No.
Do you want some orange juice? Does your tummy hurt still?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, ready? Steady, go. I gotta go. Looks like you've gone a little crazy in there. Cha, 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 cha. Shall we end the vlog here? Oh, you might get a spew. Sounds a bit fruity. Oh, you want to hold the string? Okay. Okay. What? Okay. Might end the vlog here. It's almost dinner time. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, we will see you in tomorrow's vlog. I'm gonna make this work. We're gonna push through. I'm just a little wrecked, just a little bushed, and we're gonna push through, right? Right? Is that right? See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Bye.
And even though this makes me die inside, I just want you to be by.